What's going on, guys? So to basically reset the oil life on your 2011 Honda CR-V or the previous years as well, to do this, we'll basically click on this knob until you reach the oil life there. And once you see the oil life, just click and hold for about 15 to 20 seconds until the oil life, or basically you'll see the flashing and then it'll show you a different screen. So once that happens, we can release and then use the knob and turn it to select oil life. When the oil life is flashing, click it just once and then it'll take you to the screen for oil life and the percentage. Now we reset our oil where we did an oil change and we still have 30%, but we still want to reset this. From here, you want to click and hold. Click and hold for a few seconds or until that will change to 100%, and then you guys are good. So it takes you directly to the original screen. You don't have to do anything from here, and you can reset your oil life this way. I hope that this was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.